Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become certified SolidWorks professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass SolidWorks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In this lecture, we're going to look at the tool Dynamic Mirror Entities. So let's go on the front plate and let's create a sketch. Like this. Now let's go here and let's go with a center line from the origin. Let's go up here like this. Now let's choose a line. Let's create some sketch. For example, like this something. And this is it. And now we want to create the same sketch, but on the right side of this center line. And for that, we can use mirror entities. So we can go with mirror entities. We can choose here entities. We can go, let's choose this line and this line, and we can go here, mirror about. Let's choose this center line and okay. And this is it. So this is how you can use mirror entities, and we showed that in the previous lecture. But now we're going to look at the dynamic mirror entities. If you don't have this tool here, you can go to the search command and you can type here dynamic, and you will find here dynamic mirror entities, and you can drag here and you can put it here. Now let's delete this sketch, this one and this one. Now let's turn on dynamic mirror entities. Let's see how this works. So first we have to select a sketch line or linear model edge to mirror about. So we're going to select this center line. And now we can choose a line and we can start creating our sketch. Let's go here like this. And now we can see that automatically this line is created on the right side of this center line. So whatever I do here on the left side automatically is shown on the right side as well. So let's go here like this, down, let's go vertical, and let's finish here like this, and let's click OK. So this is how dynamic mirror entities works. So you turn on the tool, you only have to choose a center line for mirror about, and you can create a sketch on the one side, and automatically sketch will be created on the other side. So this is how you can use dynamic mirror entities. If you want to turn off this, just click here, and now you can work in a regular sketch mode. If you're tired of watching on YouTube videos and buying cheap courses who always leave you wishing and wanting for more, and you want to have personal support to learn the SolidWorks from the absolute zero to the professional level to improve and start your career, check the link below and visit our Super SolidWorks Accelerator Academy. As well, if you like this video, click like and subscribe.